Man of God, for 3 good years since I left home, I've not been able to communicate with my family.
For 3 good years?
For 3 good years, man of God.
So what you want me to do now?
I don't feel call them. You know, as the country hard now. Things hard. I don't
Why you gonna tell me? Now everything got a solve. You never hear of 2090.
2090.
You never hear of 2090.
I never hear about them.
Everything you happen, or you run on church. What the pastor want do concerning you hearing from your family? Go your Play Store. You know, get phone.
I get them now.
No.
I get them now.
You deserve to wipe this wipe. Go Play Store. Search for 2090. 2090. Hand me that. Click on. Install the app. You don't install now?
Yeah, I don't install.
Now go enter the app. Yeah. Buy data there. So as low as 200 naira, you get 1 gig.
See cheap rate.
1 gig, 200 naira.
Pastor, man of God, thank you. See cheap rates.
So bring goods now.
Now steady. Hey, thank you.
I will come your house. So.
Thank you.
There's nothing God cannot solve.